Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to log into Google Drive. Whether you're managing personal documents, sharing photos, or collaborating on school or work projects, Google Drive is a powerful cloud storage tool that helps you keep your files organized, backed up, and accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. Let's get started. First, open your internet browser. You can use any browser you prefer: Google Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or Safari. This works on any device, whether it's a desktop, laptop, tablet, or smartphone. Now, in the address bar or search box, type Google Drive and press enter. From the search results, look for the link that says drive.google.com. That's the official Google Drive website. Click on it to open the page. If you're already signed in to your Google account, you'll automatically be taken straight into your Drive. But if you're not signed in yet, you'll see a login screen asking you to choose an account. If multiple Google accounts are listed, select the one you want to use. It's important to choose the right one, especially if you use different accounts for work, school, or personal use, because each account has its own separate Drive storage. After selecting your account, enter your Google password. Make sure you type it carefully and keep it private, especially if you're on a shared computer. Your password should be strong, ideally a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your data secure. Once you've entered your password, click Next. If everything is correct, you'll now be logged into Google Drive. Here, you'll see all your files and folders neatly organized. You can upload new files, create Google Docs, Sheets, or slides, and even share them with others in real time. If you're new to Google Drive, take a few minutes to explore the layout. You'll notice options like New for creating files, Shared with Me for items others have shared, of guides and troubleshooting tips to help you get back on track quickly. So that's it. You now know how to log into Google Drive and start managing your files anywhere, anytime. If this tutorial helped you out, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more quick and easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.